time until NIO reaches $200 a share. What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because NIO is very well documented on this channel, and also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. So WeBull's 4 free stock promo has been extended to February 1st. When you open up your new brokerage account with WeBull, you'll get 2 free stocks. And when you make an initial deposit of $100, you'll get another 2 free stocks. The total value of all 4 of those free stocks could be up to $3,700. And lastly, cryptocurrency is now available on the platform, so you can trade crypto with 0 commissions. So today we're going to be talking about NIO. It's currently 6:03 p.m. Eastern Time here in Michigan. The stock is currently trading at $58.07. It's up 1.09% for the day, and it's down 0.46% in the after hours. So today there's 2 things I want to talk about. Number 1 is that we all know Tesla's been cutting prices on their vehicles. I've said multiple times on this channel that I don't think that that's going to impair NIO at all. Well, William Li actually commented on that in a recent interview again. So we're going to talk about that today. And then on top of that, NIO is now offering 0 down financing. So that's going to be the last thing that we talk about today. So NIO and price cuts. CEO William Li said that what might be the right strategy for Tesla may not be the right strategy for NIO. Every company has different positioning. And we're definitely seeing this with NIO and Tesla. They are positioning themselves in completely different ways. They're 2 completely different companies, although they both fall under the broad umbrella of electric vehicles. So NIO's been very adamant about going after traditional luxury vehicle makers and trying to steal market share from them, and also providing a very keen user experience. Tesla, on the other hand, is all about accelerating the transition to sustainability, which is a lot more broad. So the market will eventually be 100% electric, in my opinion, and there's enough of the market to go around. William Li says that one car model cannot satisfy all users across the globe. He says the key is whether a vehicle and the services offered are commensurate with the price. So in an interview that William Li did before this interview, and I actually reacted to it, he said that NIO community members feel like the price of the ET7 could actually even be higher. And I can totally see this because when you think about the ET7 and the segment that it comes in at, it has a lot of competitive advantages over traditional automakers in that segment as well. Eventually their cars will be completely autonomous. You're spending less on maintenance and you're spending less on fuel as well. Any traditional luxury brand is going to cost a lot more to maintain. That's just how they operate. That's how those dealers make their money. If you think about like a BMW per se, or an Audi or a Mercedes, those parts are very expensive and you're guaranteed to have problems on any car at some point. NIO actually offers free repairs for the first year, free maintenance 3 times a year, roadside assistance, and a plethora of other value-added services. So for me, it's not a matter of if, it's only a matter of time until NIO reaches $200 a share. Of course, there are risks along the way that could completely derail everything, but I really do see NIO being a lot more than $200 per share in the future. And by the time that NIO reaches $200 per share, I think that they'll still just be getting started. Now, obviously, I'm a long-term investor. I look years down the line, but at the same time, I think there's a lot of exponential growth for NIO as they begin and continue to expand globally and begin stealing market share from a lot of these traditional names in the automotive space. We could see $100 per share a lot sooner than we think. Daiwa Securities has recently upgraded NIO's price target to $100 per share as well. The next thing that I said I was going to talk about is NIO offering 0 down financing for their vehicles. Going back to what William Li said about what works for Tesla may not work for NIO, prime example here. Now, yes, NIO has a $75 billion market cap, but in reality, they are still a niche automaker. Last month, they delivered around 7K vehicles. So they do have to come up with strategies to continue to increase orders. Once they complete the orders that are already backlogged, they still need to keep new and fresh orders coming in, and the company needs to grow every year. So obviously, Tesla's way of trying to gain new customers is via price cuts. NIO's doing something a little bit different here. NIO's doing a couple of things a little different here, actually. And by the way, a lot of NIO's sales come from referrals. But aside from that, I'm very bullish on the zero down financing. So in the earlier part of this video, I explained why it's worth it to pay more for a NIO vehicle. Well, NIO's actually removing purchase barriers for a lot of prospective customers by doing this zero down financing. A broader array of people can now experience a premium electric vehicle, but the absolutely great aspect about it is that NIO doesn't lose any money from doing this. They're still getting the money, but people are just financing it. On top of this, NIO has already been doing some things to increase their orders. With battery as a service, you think about that, customers can save 15 to 20% on their vehicles by leasing the battery and actually buying the vehicle, which reduces the overall upfront cost. So a lot more people we're already able to afford NIOs off of this. Battery as a service was launched in August, and about 50% of NIO users since then have been using battery as a service when they purchase a new NIO vehicle. But now with zero down, typically you put 15% down on a NIO vehicle. So say you're buying a $64,000 car, 15% of that is $9,600. You don't have to put that $9,600 down anymore and tie up that capital. The orders for NIO vehicles will increase. NIO is beefing up customer acquisition, and they're making the same amount of money at the same time, which I think is brilliant. So that's going to be it for this video. I wanted to know what you guys think about NIO's overall customer acquisition strategies and how they plan to grow in this market. Do you guys think that they're doing a really good job? Do you think that they could do some things a little bit differently? I'm very bullish on everything that I talked about today. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. I'll link the free Discord in the description. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.